Today, we nourish. We're cooking the dish that makes us feel at home. It's kinda chic to be cooking when no one is watching. No one to impress, no rush. You can just chop slowly, taste as you go, adjust the salt, the spice, the warmth, exactly how you like it. Cooking, not because we have to, not to post it on socials, not to make it perfect, but because we deserve good food, made with our own hands, with love. So, enjoy your meal. This meal is yours. Savour every bite. Take the time to feed yourself well, and whatever it is, make it delicious.